Starting at just Rs 21,000 with Snapdragon 845, the Poco F1 is definitely one of the best performing phone out there for this price segment. And in this video, we are going to talk about the best tips and tricks that you can use as a Poco F1 user to unleash the full potential of this device. So well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. With Snapdragon 845 and liquid cooling, Poco F1 is definitely looking out for the gamers out there. And well, if you are into gaming with the Poco F1, you must know about the hidden gaming mode. Found under the security app, if you scroll down, you'll see an option that says Game Speed Booster. Once you tap on it, you can add all the games that you play on the Poco, and it can be done manually, but at times it can also be added automatically. So what happens when you boost a game? On Poco F1, whenever a game is launched which you have already boosted, all the background activities will be minimized or closed, and then you'll have priority internet access for that particular game so that you don't have latency or all those notification glitches when you're playing game online. It will also enable the DND mode wherein all the third-party notifications will be blocked and you can play your game peacefully without any obstructions. Now the second feature is about notch, and some might like it, some might dislike it, and Poco F1 has room for both of them. Now if you like the notch, it just works out of the box. But if you don't like it, you can hide that particular notch using the MIUI settings. To do so, head over to full screen display, and therein you'll find an option that says hide screen notch. That's it. Once you enable it, the notch will be hidden and you will be able to see the full black bar. Now that we are on the full screen display setting, let's talk about the third option, which is enabling the gesture navigation instead of the navigation back or the recent button that we usually have on the MIUI 9. So here, instead of buttons, select the option full screen gestures, and then you can go home by simply swiping up on the home screen, recent tab by swipe and hold, or go back using any of the left or right edges. Yes, these gestures really give you an extra real estate on your home screen. Moving on, let's talk about the Poco Launcher. Yes, it's a brand new launcher that has been released by Xiaomi with the Poco phone, and it is also available as an APK which you can install on any device using the Play Store. Now, one of the best features that I liked in the Poco Launcher is the ability to search for apps using the app icon colors. Yes, if you go into the home screen settings, you'll particularly find that option that says group icon by app color, and having done that, you'll find some colorful dots at the bottom of your home screen, and using that you can categorize the icons and launch them based upon their colors. One more thing that you will notice in the Poco Launcher is that it categorizes app based upon like its photography app, travel app, and it gives you a dedicated section using which you can just swipe right or swipe left and then launch an app of your choice. Tap on the hamburger menu on the upper right corner and long tap anywhere, and then drag the particular option that you want at the end or in the beginning. You can also hide a specific category by dragging it to the hide section. The next option is about launching the camera app quickly, and with Snapdragon 845, everything has to be quick on the Poco F1. So what we'll do is we are going to bind the power button with the camera app. Yes, you can do that in the settings wherein you'll find the option under buttons, and once you have enabled it, you can then launch the camera app by simply double tapping or double clicking on the power button. It's simple, quick, but very useful at times. The next feature is about dual VoLTE. Now by default, Snapdragon 845 on the Poco F1 supports dual VoLTE feature, but just in some case, if you're not able to get that dual VoLTE on your two SIM cards, go to the settings and here tap on SIM card and mobile networks. Here you'll find the option that says use mobile data during VoLTE calls on the secondary SIM. And once you enable it, it will make sure that not only the primary SIM, that is the SIM card in the slot 1, but also the secondary SIMs get its share of VoLTE data. And finally, the last trick is simple, but if you are a video buff, it's going to help you, and that is pinch to zoom. So by default, the YouTube videos are played in 16:9 aspect ratio, but then your Poco F1 is in 19:9, and without that notch is at 18:9. So all you can do is pinch in your YouTube videos and then zoom it to that particular size. Well, the videos might be cropped out, but then you'll be able to have that wide viewing angles on your device. So well, that's all in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do give us a thumbs up, do share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech if this is your first time here. Well, that's all, and I hope to see you in my next one. Up until then, take care and have a wonderful day.